nature enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the incredible world of trees. Trees are like the lungs of our planet, and they come in so many different shapes and sizes. Are you ready to learn about the fantastic types of trees that surround us? Fantastic! Join us for the next 5 minutes as we uncover the secrets of these amazing giants. Our journey begins with the mighty oak tree. Oaks are strong and impressive trees that can live for hundreds of years. They produce acorns, which are like tiny treasures for forest creatures. Oak trees have sturdy branches and beautiful, lobed leaves. Next up, we have the tall and graceful redwood trees. These giants can grow to be the tallest trees on Earth, reaching heights of over 300 feet. They're like nature's skyscrapers, creating a serene and towering forest canopy. Let's move on to the fragrant and colorful cherry blossom tree. These trees are famous for their stunning pink and white blossoms that cover them in the spring. Cherry blossom festivals are celebrated in many parts of the world, where people gather to admire their beauty. Say hello to the elegant willow tree. Willows are known for their graceful, drooping branches that seem to sweep the ground. They're often found near water and have a soothing, calming presence. Now, let's explore the beautiful maple tree. Maples are famous for their vibrant, colorful leaves, especially in the fall. They produce maple syrup, a sweet treat loved by many. You can find maples all over the world, adding a burst of color to forests. Remember, young nature enthusiasts, trees are our friends and deserve our love and care. So, the next time you take a walk in the forest or see a tree in your neighborhood, take a moment to appreciate the wonder of these beautiful giants. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting educational adventures with us. Join us next time as we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of trees today, my young friends. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing with the magic of nature. Goodbye, nature enthusiasts.